Now, I know a lot of you love this type of meditation. I get a lot of requests to revisit the healing garden, where we're going to do some work today. By the way, I am Paul Sheppard, and welcome to the Mindset Change podcast. If you've not yet subscribed, please do, as you really don't want to miss some of the episodes that are coming your way. I promise you, they are life-changing. So hopefully you're getting into a nice, comfortable position. Give your shoulders a roll forwards and backwards to release any tension that you might be holding on to. Do a little twist from side to side. That feels really good. Nice. So just begin to connect with the breath. And if you'd like to close your eyes or look down towards the floor, you do whatever is suitable for you. And just connect with the breath. And get a sense of the rise and fall of your body with each breath. Do you know, I saw online recently someone asking, how can I forgive? Do I have to forgive? As they were struggling with a situation. And what comes to mind is that's a process. It's not something that we can do quite easily at times, understandably. But what we can cultivate is the ability to let go. And we're going to explore that a little today in the healing garden. So using the power of your mind, I'd like you to imagine yourself in the most beautiful garden. Now don't get too hung up on details. You might even just see a small patch of grass around you. Keep it simple. But if you do have quite a powerful imagination, create what you will. Notice the colors of the plants around you. Maybe you can see a water feature, a lake, the sea. Maybe just a small pond or stream. The deep blue sky above you. Maybe the odd cloud drifting by like a thought inside your mind. And the warmth of the sun, the golden sun, gently permeating your skin. And with each out-breath, that warmth gently permeating every cell. Maybe you can see birds, bees, or other creatures just coming and going. Birds in the sky. I'd like you to find a comfortable place within this garden. And allow yourself to relax a little deeper. And when we relax deeper, the subconscious mind begins to open like a beautiful garden flower to the suggestions that we're making. And if you brought a bit of tension with you today, wonderful. Because it's here that you can let it go. You can practice letting go. And when we devalue something that we're holding on to, that it no longer serves us the way it once did, then the mind puts it behind us into the past where it belongs. So I'd like you to think of something, or maybe someone, that you might want to forgive or think you should forgive. But you want to move on. It's been difficult for you. And I get that. So just become aware of when you picture this situation or person, how you feel. And if you feel any tension or tightness, just allow it to be there, accept it. Begin to breathe into it. And then let's choose to let it go, to let them go. So you might want to ask yourself this question, just to make it a bit easier for yourself. What do I possibly want by holding on to what I think about this person or situation? What could I possibly want? It doesn't matter if you have an answer or not. But if you get a sense of that you might have wanted justice, that it was unfair, that you feel like a victim, that you don't want to be experiencing your current circumstances, then that's a good place to start. Let me ask you some questions. How long are you willing to carry this around for? Could you be 100% honest with yourself about how you were complicit in this situation happening? Is there any possibility that you could be wrong in how you are perceiving this? And what is the physical, emotional, and financial cost to your life by continuing to carry this around? And as you're sitting there in the sun, absorbing the beautiful energy of nature around you, we want to cultivate the idea that what you're holding on to is a mere illusion, that is distracting you from the reality of who you are and what you are truly capable of. Life is happening for you, not to you. If you believe it's happening to you, you cultivate a victim mindset. So the situation with this person, or whatever circumstance, is there for you to benefit from. What are those possible benefits? Even just thinking about how you'll grow, flourish, and thrive from this situation is a very powerful mindset to cultivate. Now, I'd like you to see in front of you the person or circumstance that has been triggering the feelings you have inside. And I want you to take the image that you can see in front of you and begin to shrink it so that it begins to become smaller and smaller and smaller. And if you can't see an image and it's just a voice, I'd like you to hear it becoming fainter and fainter and fainter. I'd like you to say to yourself, can I let this go now? Get a sense of whether that's a yes or a no. It doesn't matter which. And then whatever the answer is, take a nice big deep breath in through the nose and then blow slowly out through the mouth, relaxing your face, relaxing your neck and shoulders, relaxing your body. And then again, think of that person or circumstance. Get a sense of what you're experiencing. Continue to shrink the image and quieten the sound of the voice so that you're devaluing it within the subconscious mind. And then ask yourself, can I let this go? Again, does it matter whether it's yes or no? But take a nice big deep breath. And as you blow out, relax your face, relax your jaw, relax your neck and shoulders, relax everything all the way down. Now, obviously, you can repeat this exercise continually throughout the day, shrinking the image of the person or circumstance devalues. You'll notice that it becomes insignificant, something that you held on to at one time but no longer need to because you're moving forward. And just now picture yourself in the garden, free of what you are holding on to. What will you be doing differently? How will you be feeling? And now give yourself a wonderful inner smile. And just say to yourself, may I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be at peace. And may I feel loved. And then when you're ready, come back to your surroundings. So you can open your eyes. I hope that's given you an idea of what you can do in regards to letting go. What you're holding on to is an illusion, a perception of what you think about that circumstance or person. And we can hold on to it with a victim mindset that this happened to us, not for us. So just imagine if you cultivated instead a very powerful creator mindset that this is happening for you, not to you. And you began to look for the possibilities in how you'll grow, flourish and thrive. I can't tell you how important that is for a happy, healthy and successful life. Now, if you enjoyed this type of meditation, I do have deeper, longer, more experimental versions on the Another Level channel, which you can find in the show notes via the link. Feel free to come and say hi on my WhatsApp community. It's over 100 members strong. It's very engaging and they are incredible. And also, please share this episode with anyone you know is struggling to let go. I want to say thank you for listening. Stay awake, stay aware, and I hope you have the most incredible day.